Imagine this. You come home after a long day. You drop your keys on the counter, grab a drink, collapse into your couch, and reach for the remote, expecting the usual clutter and chaos you've learned to tolerate from your TV experience. But instead, something different happens. The screen wakes up. Everything looks cleaner, faster, smarter, almost alive. That's the moment most people realize. This isn't the TV experience they grew up with. This is Apple's 2025 Apple TV 4K. Quiet, simple, and shockingly powerful. And today, I'm going to take you on a full journey inside this device. Not the marketing version, not the quick specs version, but the real story. Why this tiny box has suddenly become one of the most important devices in Apple's entire ecosystem, and why millions of Americans are reconsidering the way they watch, play, and interact with their TVs. So sit back, relax, and let's explore a device that's way more influential than most people realize. What makes this box so special? When you first look at the Apple TV 4K 2025, it doesn't look like much. It's small. It's simple. It doesn't scream for attention. But here's the catch. Almost every major shift in home entertainment over the last decade has quietly started from this little black box. The move to 4K, it was one of the first. The shift to high frame rate content, Apple TV pushed it. Gaming on your TV, it laid the groundwork for that too. Fitness at home, Apple Fitness Plus lives inside it. Smart Home Control Center, Apple TV became the hub. And now in 2025, Apple has done something subtle but massive. They've turned the Apple TV 4K into the brain of the modern American living room. Let's dive into why that matters. The interface that makes you wonder why other TV UIs feel so bad. Americans spend hours every week just navigating streaming apps, scrolling, clicking, waiting, watching that spinning loading icon. And the 2025 Apple TV fixes this in a way that feels almost invisible. The interface is fast. Not kind of fast. Not good enough. I mean instant. You press a button, boom, it responds. Switch app est instant. Load a game, instant. You'll find yourself wondering, why does every other smart TV feel like it's struggling to breathe? That's the Apple difference. Not flashy, not loud, just quietly better. And yes, Americans notice that. Because we live busy lives. We want things that work. We want things that don't frustrate us after a long day. And Apple absolutely nails this feeling. The picture quality that makes you re-watch movies you've already seen. There's a moment everyone experiences with Apple TV eventually. You open a familiar movie, maybe your comfort film, and suddenly it looks new. The 2025 model takes that feeling even further. Colors feel deeper. Shadows feel richer. Highlights pop with a clarity that almost feels unreal. It's not just 4K. It's not just Dolby Vision. It's Apple's tuning, designed to make every frame feel like it had an upgrade. Even older movies suddenly feel like they were remastered. But here's the crazy part. Most people don't realize this picture quality comes from processing power. The same chip that makes this interface lightning fast is also doing something magical behind the scenes, enhancing every single pixel. That's the kind of thing you notice the moment you sit down, and the kind of thing you miss the moment you switch back to another TV. The sound that makes your living room feel like a theater. Close your eyes for a second and imagine this. A helicopter flies across the screen, and you hear the sound move across your room. You don't need a giant sound system. You don't need a complicated setup. If you have HomePods, the Apple TV turns them into a full cinematic soundstage. And if you don't, even regular speakers sound richer, fuller, deeper. Americans love home theaters. We love big sound. We love feeling the action, not just watching it. And Apple knows that. This isn't just a TV box anymore. It's the heart of a home theater. The remote that finally makes sense. Let's talk about the remote. Because let's be honest, remotes have been terrible forever. Too many buttons, weird layouts, plastic that feels cheap. Apple changed all of that. The 2025 version feels solid, smart, intentional. It doesn't try to do too much. It just does everything right. And Americans appreciate that simplicity more than you think. Because tech should feel effortless, not overwhelming. One of the biggies. Key reasons people buy the Apple TV: the remote alone, gaming that might surprise you. This is the part most people underestimate. If you're thinking, oh, it's Apple, it's just simple games, think again. The new chip inside delivers console-level performance for a huge range of games. Connect a controller? Boom, instant gaming console. And in 2025, Apple Arcade stepped up with titles that actually compete. Smooth gameplay, beautiful graphics, zero loading screens. For families, for casual players, and honestly even for serious gamers, Apple TV quietly became a legit gaming device. Fitness Plus that turns your living room into a personal gym. In the USA, home workouts exploded and Apple doubled down. Imagine having your iPhone tracking your metrics, your Apple Watch tracking your heart, your TV guiding your movements in real time. No subscriptions scattered across apps, no messy equipment, just you, your Apple devices, and a clean, simple workout experience. And the Apple TV is the center of all of it. The smart home hub you didn't know you needed. If you're into smart home tech, lights, cameras, locks, thermostats, the Apple TV is the quiet hero holding everything together. Secure, fast, always on. It's like having a smart home brain that never gets in the way, but is always working behind the scenes. You control your entire home from your couch, and everything just works. Why Apple TV 4K 2025 is suddenly worth talking about. So why are so many Americans buying this device now? Simple. Because we're tired of clutter. We're tired of laggy smart TVs. We're tired of complicated menus, slow updates, and cheap hardware that only lasts a year or two. We want something stable, something fast, something that feels premium. And the Apple TV 4K delivers all of that without trying to be flashy. It's the quiet device that improves your daily life in dozens of small ways, until suddenly you can't imagine living without it. The Apple lifestyle effect. Let's talk about something deeper, something Apple rarely advertises. When you own an Apple TV, your other devices feel more connected. The whole ecosystem feels tighter. Your iPhone, your iPad, your watch, they all talk to your TV effortlessly. You take a call, your TV can pause automatically. You start playing a video on your iPhone, your TV picks it up instantly. You want to show photos to friends? One tap, and they fill your living room. This kind of invisible convenience is what keeps people in the Apple ecosystem. Not because they're forced to stay, but because everything just feels right. Who is the Apple TV really for? If you value simplicity, love clean interfaces, want fast performance, enjoy streaming in the best possible quality, use Apple devices daily, care about privacy, or just want a TV experience that doesn't annoy you, then the Apple TV is basically built for you. Families love it. Couples love it. Gamers love it. Home theater lovers? They absolutely adore it. And Apple fans? Well, they already know the future Apple is building, and why this box is the first step. The Apple TV 4K isn't just a streaming device anymore. It's a platform, a hub, a foundation. Apple is thinking bigger. AI, games, home automation, health, fitness, entertainment. All of it is converging. And the Apple TV is the silent piece that ties everything together. The couch is the new command center. The TV is the new smart hub. And this little box is the bridge. A final thought before we wrap up. Next time you sit down in front of your TV, ask yourself something simple. Does your TV experience make you feel relaxed or frustrated? Because technology should remove stress, not add it. It should make your home feel more comfortable, more intuitive, more yours. And in 2025, the Apple TV 4K is the device doing that more than anything else. It won't brag. It won't shout. It won't demand attention. But once you use it, you understand. Sometimes the most powerful technology in your home is the one you barely notice, the one that makes everything else shine. But let's go even deeper for a moment, because the Apple TV 4K 2025 isn't just a better version of something we already had. It represents a shift, a quiet transformation in the way we interact with our homes, our entertainment, and even our families. And what's truly interesting is that Apple isn't shouting about this. They're not running massive billboard campaigns. They're not flooding YouTube with ads. They're just letting the product speak for itself. And the people who bring it into their homes instantly feel the difference. So let's talk about a few things that rarely get discussed, but matter more than you think. How Apple TV changes the way we spend time together. Think about your living room for a moment. It's not just a place where your TV sits. It's where families gather, where couples unwind, where friends laugh, eat, binge watch, and debate what to watch next. The Apple TV, in its own subtle way, improves that entire experience. Family movie night becomes easier. Streaming is faster. Games are more fun. Searching is quicker. There's less frustration, fewer arguments, fewer moments where someone says, "Ugh, it froze again," or "This app isn't loading," or "Just give me the remote, I'll fix it." Those tiny moments matter. They shape the feeling of your home. And what Apple has done, maybe without even saying it, is reduce the friction, the stress, the noise. It allows the living room to feel like a place you want to spend more time in. Sometimes a tech upgrade isn't just about tech. It's about how it makes your home feel. The psychological effect of a clean interface. Have you ever opened a streaming app on a cheap smart TV and felt overwhelmed? Too many rows, too many ads, too much chaos. Your brain feels cluttered before you even watch anything. The Apple TV flips this. Everything is clean, simple, peaceful. The icons are spaced perfectly. The menus are minimal. There are no giant banner ads screaming at you. There's no recommended by your TV manufacturer junk shoved in your face. It's all about you, your content, your apps, your choices. And the wild thing? A cleaner, calmer interface genuinely reduces mental stress. It makes you feel more in control, more relaxed, more focused. Most people don't realize it, but their TV experience affects their mood. Apple understands that design isn't just aesthetics. It's psychology. The hidden strength, longevity. Americans are tired of devices that barely last 2 years. Phones slowing down, tablets glitching, smart TVs becoming outdated fast. And Apple broke that cycle with the Apple TV. Most Apple TVs last for years. 5, 6, even 7 years, and still running smooth. The 2025 version? It's even more future-proof, more powerful, more capable. You're not just buying something for today. You're investing in something that'll still feel new long after other systems start falling apart. It's the opposite of disposable tech. It's built to last, and Americans appreciate that more than ever. Why streaming companies love Apple TV more than they admit. There's a secret in the streaming world. Developers prefer building apps for Apple TV. It's cleaner, it's faster, it's easier, which means the apps you use, Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, Max, YouTube, Disney Plus, all of them, often run better on Apple TV than on anything else. And when you think about it, that makes sense. Apple TV users expect quality. Streaming companies know this, so they optimize. Your movies load faster. Your shows look better. Navigation feels smoother. It's one of those invisible advantages you don't notice until you experience it. And then suddenly everything else feels broken. The difference in privacy, a quiet but massive deal. Here's something Apple doesn't need to exaggerate: privacy. Most smart TVs track everything. What you watch, what you click, which apps you open, how long you stay on each screen. It's sold to advertisers, used to target you, shared without you realizing it. Apple doesn't do that. No tracking, no ad profiling, no selling your data. They make money from hardware, not your personal information. And in a country where people are becoming more aware, more protective of their digital lives, this matters a lot. You're not just buying a streaming box. You're protecting your privacy. Why the Apple TV makes older TVs feel new again. Americans don't replace TVs every year. Sometimes not even every 5 years. But we do replace streaming devices. That's where Apple TV shines. If you have an older TV, 1080p, early 4K, even a 2020 model, plugging in an Apple TV gives it new life. Suddenly the interface feels modern. Apps load like they're on fresh hardware. Colors look better. Motion feels smoother. It's like giving your TV a heart transplant. And that means you don't need to spend $500, $800, or $1,200 on a brand new screen. A simple box fixes every T. No, and Americans love a solution that saves money and delivers results. How Apple TV changes your night routine. They're the moment that happens in homes across America. That quiet time at night when the lights dim, the day settles, and the TV becomes your escape. With Apple TV, this moment feels more intentional. The screensaver slowly fades in, beautiful scenes that make your living room feel like a museum gallery. You open your favorite app with one tap. No ads, no noise, just you and your content. And when you're done, you press one button and it all shuts off. No auto-playing commercials, no pop-ups, no interruptions. It's peaceful. It's elegant. It's the modern version of flipping open a good book at the end of the day. Technology that supports your life, not distracts from it. The feature almost no one talks about, frictionless living. Every tech product tries to impress you, show you features, throw specs at you, look futuristic. But Apple TV does something more valuable. It removes friction. You stop noticing the technology. You stop fighting with menus. You stop wasting time waiting for things to load. You just enjoy your TV again, the way it was always meant to be, and in a world filled with stress. That matters more than we realize. The biggest secret: Apple TV is designed for the future. Here's a thought most people never have. What if the Apple TV isn't just for movies? What if it's laying the foundation for something bigger? Think about it. IESC stunts, interactive fitness, advanced home automation, smart home intelligence, gaming, spatial experiences, future AR/VR integration. Your TV is the largest screen in your home. It's the most communal, the most visible, and Apple knows that. The 2025 Apple TV is a platform, a stage for Apple's future ideas. Today, it's a streaming device. Tomorrow, it could be the command center of your entire digital life. It's already halfway there. A final message for anyone watching this. If you've been wondering whether the Apple TV is worth it, whether it's really as good as people say, whether it's just another Apple product with hype, here's the truth. No YouTube video, no specs cheat, no commercial can replicate the feeling of using it every day. The simplicity, the smoothness, the beauty, the peace, the lack of stress, the feeling that this is how a TV should work. It doesn't try to impress you. It doesn't scream for attention. It doesn't overwhelm you with features. It just works silently, effortlessly, perfectly. And in a world full of complicated tech, that's worth more than anything.